Today we're going to be replacing the high beam and the turn signal bulb, but first we got to open up the hood to gain access to the back of the headlight assembly. So we're going to go and open up the hood latch right underneath the steering wheel. Got it. Now we're going to go towards the center of the actual hood. The hood latch is underneath the center. Move it to the left and the hood pops open. Now we're going to reach to the back of the headlight to gain access to the high beam cap. Here's a high beam cap. You're going to twist it counterclockwise to pull it off and remove the factory bulb. So there's a 9005 bulb. It is pretty stiff to remove, so you're going to want to use both of your hands to remove the clip from the 9005 bulb. Once you remove it, you're free to go. And now over to Steven to help educate you on the new bulbs we're going to install.
So once you remove it, all you're going to be doing now is going to get to the side, because these are still good, so make sure you keep this with you just in case of an emergency if it happens to go out. At least you have that right there. Take this open. And pretty much this is the new design for the Lasfit LA Plus. Okay, so these are going to be the new bulbs. Okay, pretty much what you're going to see from this, the new improvements is one, they've gotten shorter, so they'll clear most caps now. Also, this cable on some vehicles like Fords, Rams, they have this issue where on a previous bulb we had a plastic support here that when you turn the bulb, it will hit the top of the actual housing, because they're not completely centered, they'll be a little bit higher than usual. And when you try to twist it, it'll hit there and it won't let you turn the bulb anymore. So we made this design without that support right there. Plus, we also gave it the 360-degree adjustable, pretty much tabs. So like that, in case, let's say you do happen to run into that problem, as long as you got this locked in, all you have to do now is just adjust it and put in its correct position so you can get that proper light cutoff. Okay, this is a true 36 watt bulb, so it means it's going to be 36 watts at all times. It has the polarity protection still. Also, if for whatever reason the bulb is detecting that it's going to fail, it'll actually like signal you. It'll start to flash to let you know like something's wrong with the bulb. Also, the chips have been improved and you now have six chips on each side. Okay, so you're gonna get more light out of this. So it's gonna be using that 36 watts fully. Okay, compared to our previous LA series, they only had 3 chips on each side. These are gonna be using a total of 12 now. So other than that, they're canvas compatible. So this is gonna work on pretty much almost all vehicles. Let's get ready to install these.
Now to install the 9005 LED bulb, you are going to want to insert it the same way you remove the factory halogen bulb. Slide it in and then twist it to the right, righty-tighty. Now before you clip the 9005 connection, you are going to want to check the polarity. The positive needs to be on the right side of the clip and a negative on the left side of the clip. So let me plug it in, just like that. Positive on the right, negative on the left. That's how it needs to go in, otherwise it won't turn on. And remember to put your dust cap back on, otherwise you'll get water and moisture because it's not there anymore. So make sure you tighten it nice and tight. Don't close it, don't close it. Speak.
Now, I'm going to actually come up and show you a test just to see how it looks.
Now to show you how these perform at night, this is the low beam setting. Now for the high beam, back to the low beam, and back to high beam. That's how bright these high beams are. Thanks for tuning in to the Lasfit YouTube channel. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them in the comment box below.